Convert array of indices to one-hot encoded array in NumPy. Given a 1D array of indices, I want to one-hot encode this as a 2D array.
Create a zeroed array B with enough columns, i.e. a.max plus 1. Then, for each row I, set the aith column to 1.
In case you are using Keras, there is a built-in utility for that. And it does pretty much the same as at answer, see source code.
Here is what I find useful. Here num_classes stands for number of classes you have. So if you have a vector with shape of 10,000, this function transforms it to 10,000. See, note that A is 0 indexed, i.e. one_hot np.array 0, 1, 2, will give 1, 0, 0, 1. Exactly what you wanted to have, I believe. PS, the source is sequence models, deeplearning.ai.
If you want to sell more, please consider subscribing.